Let's begin with reteaching of Chapter 15, Our Environment, Part 1. Environment. The environment is everything around us. Everything in our surrounding, whether living or non-living, is our environment. It is a nature's gift that helps in nourishing the life on the earth. The environment plays an important role in the existence of life on the planet Earth. Countryside environment is clean and pure. The air is fresh, water is clean. There is greenery all around. Very less traffic, clean and calm surrounding. Environment of big cities is impure and dirty, full of dirt, dust, smoke, and harmful gases. Next, pollution. When the air, water, and soil around us are not pure and clean and are unfit for human use, they are said to be pollution. Human activities directly or indirectly affected our environment. Types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and soil pollution. Let's see in details. First is air pollution. Air pollution is when unwanted chemicals, gases, and particles enter the air. Some sources of air pollution come from nature. For example, eruptions of volcanoes, dust storms, and forest fires. Human activities are the major cause of air pollution. For example, factories, power plants, cars, airplanes, chemicals, etc. Air pollution can also make people sick. Now let's see some of the major air pollution. They are too many vehicles on roads, smoke coming out from factories, using unleaded petrol in vehicles, and cutting trees. Now let's see how we can control this air pollution. First is carpooling, shifting factories outside cities, pollution check of all vehicles, growing more trees, using CNG in vehicles. Let's start with the next pollution, that is water pollution. Water pollution is when waste, chemicals or other particles mixes in water bodies, that is rivers, ocean, lakes. It can disrupt and negatively impact nature's water cycle as well. A lot of water pollution comes from human activities. For example, sewage, pesticides and fertilizers from farms, wastewater and chemicals from factories, etc. Some of the water pollutions are garbage being thrown in rivers, throwing dead bodies of animals in rivers, throwing domestic and industrial waste in the river. Now let's see how to control water pollution. Not throwing waste in rivers, industrial waste to be treated before being discharged in rivers, treatment of river water before being supplied to houses. Thank you.